Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad. I am in a very, very hot place. It's baking. I'm actually in Abu Dhabi in the Grand Masjid here. It's a beautiful, beautiful masjid. Very, very busy. As you can imagine, Jummah's just finished here. Now, the reason I wanted to talk to you is because something amazing about masajids, right? You probably prayed Jummah somewhere today, probably not as big as this place, but you prayed Jummah somewhere. People are always asking me, like, where are the leaders in the Muslim community? And I always say, look, you pray Jummah somewhere, after Jummah you have lunch. How do you think that masjid came about? Right? Who built that masjid? Your local mosque, who built it? It's basically leadership. It's the leaders. Someone or a group of people took responsibility and said, you know what? In this area where we're living, we need a place where we can worship Allah. And so they decided together that we are going to establish a masjid and we're going to pray here. It's the same with halal food. People said one day, look, we're in a non-Muslim country, but you know what? We still want to eat chicken. We love our chicken, right? And so because of that, they decided that they're going to have chicken. And so someone took leadership and said, right, how can we have some sort of halal process here for meat? And so for me, I'm just really, really, alhamdulillah, grateful to all those leaders who basically took responsibility, made sacrifices to really change and transform the lives of millions. Because now in the UK, alhamdulillah, we can establish salah, we've got our own masajid, we've got our food, we've got everything that we need. And so this situation, which seems so easy and so simple, like, you don't even think about, oh, I went to Jummah today. But you don't realize that it's built on the blood, sweat and tears of real brothers and sisters. And these brothers and sisters are the real leaders that are in our communities. And so I don't believe there is a massive lack of leadership. I think that we don't recognize the leadership a lot of the time. And of course we could always do with more leadership. But this is a great opportunity for us to basically be grateful to the leaders that came before us, who made our life so easy and so much better. Alhamdulillah.